Hi everyone, Pat here with Advanced RV Centers out here in beautiful Okeechobee, Florida. Look at this beautiful country coach. 2006 country coach Magna 630. It's the Matisse 40-foot tag axle featuring 4 slides with the 525 cat engine. Coach is sitting right at 140,000 miles. Let me take you around and just tell you a little bit about it. So again, it's a 2006 country coach Magna 630 Matisse 40-foot tag. Paint and body condition, real nice and glossy. There's no checking in it like a lot of them you look at. Very acceptable condition. It's gonna have, some nicks and scratches on some of the lower bay doors, nothing outrageous. It's got new tires on it, the big Michelin 315s all the way around. Date code 2521. So they're not exactly brand new, but you don't have to worry about tires. It's got all new batteries. As you can see here, it's got the nice Girard awnings. All the fabric's in great shape. All electric awnings, including the window awnings. Got a lot of recent maintenance done. New brakes and rotors in the front. New airbags, including the airlines. There's your house batteries in here. This thing is ready to go, guys. I'd cross the country in it tomorrow. There's your propane tank. Same tires are running on the Prevost buses. All the die core's been redone on the roof. There's your engine batteries. See, when I talked about little nicks, scratches down below. Clear coat up high is good. Little bit of fading on the front cap. You do have a crack there on the rear bumper. There's your engine. Does have a little bit of surface rust, nothing flaking or falling off. Side mount radiator has been replaced. All the slide toppers are good. There's your wet bay. You got your aqua hot down in this one. Oh no, there's aqua hots up in this one. Yeah, there's your aqua hot. That's all been serviced. Everything works on the coach. I think possibly, yeah, the dash air is not blowing ice cold. It's going to be priced accordingly for a little bit higher mileage. Wholesale book on the coach right now is $135. You got the big generator. Let's bring that out. Be patient, it's a little slower. So, electric actuator that slides the generator out. While we're in here, you can see that's your hydraulic pumps for your slide outs. All your fuses, HWH control board. There's your generator, big 12.5 kW, 955 hours. The front 3M mask, it shows a little wear. Well, you know, that's a common issue. A lot of machine here. Let's take you inside. Nice big wide entry. Original upholstery. No rips or tears. Little bit of wear on the outside of this seat. Driver's seat has got some on the outer edge, but overall, I look at newer coaches that are way worse than that. Dashboard's all in great shape. All your cabinets, all original inside. The inside is absolutely stunning. This couch makes a jackknife sleeper. You got the dinette that extends. There's 2 additional chairs in the closet. Here's the original build sheet. There's your options. 40-foot quad slide Matisse. Yes, it is a Magna. No cracks in the tile anywhere. Countertops all in great shape. You've got a 2-burner cooktop there, convection microwave above it. Nice big double door refrigerator with ice maker. Really a nice shower there. Nice and tall. We don't need this on. That's your rear slide out controls. Queen size bed. Nice big closet. Does have the original TVs. Here's your combo washer and dryer. Nice big closet with a safe. All your manuals are in there. Some miscellaneous receipts. This thing is ready to go, guys. Beautiful accents up on the ceiling. Be going live here soon. I want to thank you for watching. Please feel free to call with any questions. My name is Pat with Advanced RV Centers, 561-719-9774.